Guys, it's your girl A. Marie from A. Marie Lace Wigs. This is a crop jacket that I made. This was a jacket that I got from Wilson's, and I had it a while ago, and then I wound up cutting it into a crop jacket, but then it was kind of boring. So now what I did, I actually bought this fabric from Joanne. So actually what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this to the bottom. So it's actually going to have the tassels hanging at the bottom. Then I'm going to attach it. So I'm going to get done cutting all these nice tassels, and then I'm going to connect it. So this down, and then it's going to be a red crop top, red leather jacket with the tassels. So I will have to try it on and show you guys, but that is what I'm doing now. I'm cutting all the tassels in it, and I'm gonna sew it down. So now it's going to be a red crop top leather with the tassels hanging down. I think that'll be a lot cuter. So I just wanted to bring that to you guys' attention. Thank you guys for watching. So if you guys want to add some shingles on your jacket, just buy the leather from Joann's fabric and just add it to the end of your jacket, and just you can cut it, put the little fringes on there, and there you go. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye, and I'll show you guys when I finish the jacket with it on. Bye.